Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will tell you how the crude price has moved in the last week and how the crude price can move in the next week. See, if you look at this chart, what we can see that the crude price, if we look at from September month, we can see that it has moved upside. Okay, if you look at this, this is from September month. Okay, made a low and from there it is continuously rising, but it is rising at a not a fast pace, but it is rising very slowly. If you have checked my previous video, I have already told you that if the price goes above a level of 74, then there are high chances that it can touch 77, and once it crosses 77, chances are high it can touch 84. Okay, you can join my Telegram channel also. I have given this updates. Okay, and after touching at this level, because this is the point where profit booking has come, and from there it has fallen to 80 also, and from there it is now trading at around 83. Before that, if you have any doubt regarding crude position, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com or a mail ID I have given in the description. And please watch the full video, then you will understand how this technical is working. And if you wish to join my Telegram channel, link I have given in the description. And all these things what I am teaching you is just for educational purpose. Okay, see, now look at this price of crude. What it made a low, and from there we have seen a U pattern was forming, and once this range breaks upside, and we have seen continuous rise in the price of crude. But why I have given you at this, why I have told you that if the price sustain above 74, we can see 77, and from there we can see, because 77 is a 7-year high, and once this level has crossed, we have seen that there will be a rise in the price of crude, and continuously the price has moved upside and now trading at 83. See, so what we can see that how it can move in the next week. See, if we look at the trend, what we can see now, it is moving in this particular range. Okay, and if this is from 15th or 19th of October, 15th of October, we have seen that this is moving in this particular range because it has made a sharp move from 77 to 84, and now it is 84. So once this range crosses upside, okay, so once if it goes above a level of 84.78, then only we can see it can go further upside. See, if I show you a proper in the chart, now the price is at around 83.28. if it sustain above this level, then we can see it can touch a level of 84.44, and from there we can see it can touch a level of 85.66. okay, and I'll show you more upside. But if suppose if it didn't goes above that level, then we can see that it can go and touch a level of 82.68, and from there we can see it can go and touch a level of 81.79, which is mostly tested twice, so chances are high we can see more downside in the price of crude. And if it then if it didn't sustain a level of 82, then we can see a level of 80.8, and once this level is touched, then we can see it can go further low to a level of 80.24, and from there we can see it can touch a level of 79.14, and once this level is touched, then we can see it can go further low to a level of 77.26, and once 77.26 is crossed downside, then we can see again it will come in this particular range of 7 years where the market was crude was moving. Okay, so once if it goes below 77, then we can see it can touch a level of 73 also. Okay, but if 77 is crossed, then we can see it can touch a level of 74.27. if it crossed downside, then we can see a level of 73 also, but if didn't sustain this level, we can see a level of 71.67, and from there we can see it can go further low to a level of 70.96, and from there we can see it can go to a level of, if it crosses the level of 70, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 67.86. okay, now suppose if the price sustain this level and goes above a level of 84 point, it can see it can go further upside. I'll show you a chart where you will see that a chart from 1991, we have seen that the rise has moved upside, and in 2007 made a high of around 148. So now crude is trading at around 83. Once if it crosses a level of 84 point, okay, so once if it crosses a level of, okay, now the high it was around 86. Okay, the high it made, it was around, one second, the high it was made around 85. Okay, so once it crosses this level, it then chances are high it can go and touch a level of 85.69, and once this level is touched upside, then we can see a level of 91.44 very soon, because we have seen a upside resistance. If it sustain above a level of 86.97, we can see it can go further upside and can touch a level of 90 also. Okay, but this is a longer view what I'm telling you. But suppose if the price sustain above this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 84.44, and from there we can see a level of 85. And if it sustain above this level, then we can see a level of 88.24 also. And if it sustain above this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 89. And if the price sustain above this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 92 also. So this is the overall chart I've shown you. So I will show you a 1 year chart, then you will understand much better that where the price can go upside. Okay, see, look at the price. Now if it sustain this level, then chances are very high that it can come and touch a level of 84.95, and then we can see further upside. It can touch a level of 86 also if sustain above a level of 85. And if it sustain above this 86, then the next resistance we can see is coming at around 86.85, and from there we can see a level of 87.5 also, and then we can see more upside. What is important here is that you have to keep trailing your SL. That is very important. Okay, and suppose you are making $1,000, okay, and once it comes down to $800, please exit the trade for the day. Or if you have made a loss of around $100 per day, and that is where you are happy that if it that as per your appetite, risk appetite, that 100 does not make your trading, does not affect your trading on the next day, then 100 is okay. Keep that. Don't increase that amount. For suppose you are not making didn't made any profit of that particular day, okay, and you made a loss of $100 or suppose $200, then exit the trade for the day and the trade the next day. Don't think of recovering that particular amount, okay, on that same particular day. That day might not be yours, so you can try another day. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.